Dear physics aspirants, right now I have the chapter 14 of physics plus 2 level NCERT book, and here is the chapter. Chapter 14 will provide you the information regarding the semiconductor electronics and materials devices and simple circuits. In physics, these are very important. Introduction is here and scanner is here. With the help of scanner, you can find lots of text regarding this topic. Here you will see the introduction devices in which controlled flow of electrons can be obtained are the basic building blocks of all electronic circuits. So flowing of electrons is very important. Before the discovery of transistor in 1948, such devices were mostly vacuum tubes, also called the valves. Before 1948, like the vacuum diode, which has two electrodes, with the anode often called plate and cathode. Triode, which has three electrodes, cathode, plate and grid, and tetrode and pentode, respectively 4 and 5 electrodes in a vacuum tube, and the electrons are supplied by heated cathode, and the controlled flow of these electrons in vacuum is obtained by the varying the voltage between the different electrodes. Vacuum is required in the inter-electrode space, otherwise the moving electrons may lose their energy on collision with the air molecules in their path. In these devices, the electrons can flow only from the cathode to the anode, i.e. only in one direction. Therefore, such devices are generally referred to as the valves. These vacuum tube devices are bulky, consume high power, operate generally at high voltages, 100 volt, and have limited life and low reliability. The seed of the development of the modern solid-state semiconductor electronics goes back to 1930, when it was realized that some solid-state semiconductors and their junctions offer the possibility of controlling the number and the direction of flow of charge carrier through them. Simple excitations like light, heat, or small applied voltage or can change the number of more mobile charges in a semiconductor. Note that the supply and flow of charge carrier in the semiconductor devices are within the solid itself, while the earlier vacuum tubes valves, the mobile electrons, were obtained from a heated cathode, and they were made to flow in an evacuated space or vacuum. No external heating or large evacuated space is required by the semiconductor devices. They are small in size, consume low power, operate at low voltage, and have long life and high reliability. Even the cathode ray tube CRT used on television and computer monitor, which work on the principle of vacuum tube, are being replaced by LCD, known as the liquid crystal display monitor, with supporting solid-state electronics much before the full implications of the semiconductor devices was formally understood. A naturally occurring crystal of galena, lead sulfide, PBS name, and with a metal point contact attached to it, was used as detector of radio waves. In the following sections, we will introduce the basic concepts of semiconductor physics and discuss some semiconductor devices like junction diode and a two electrode device, and bipolar junctions transistor, 3 electrode device. A few circuit illustrating their applications will also be described. In next segment, we will discuss this classification of metals, conductors, and semiconductors. It will provide you the lots of informations. and when you deal, you will get more informations. Here is also we will meet in the next session with the next video, and till then, thank you very much.